Today we have an amazing home remedy to share with you that will help relieve dry cough. Having a dry cough can be irritating and disruptive, but worry not, because we have a simple and effective solution for you. So, let's jump right in. Before we begin, please remember that this home remedy is intended for adults and older children. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. To prepare this dry cough home remedy, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. Honey, 2 tablespoons. 2. Lemon, 1 medium-sized. 3. Ginger, 1 small piece. 4. Warm water, 1 cup. Make sure the honey is pure and not mixed with any additional ingredients. The antibacterial properties of honey help soothe the throat and reduce coughing. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, boosts the immune system and eases throat irritation. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, helps relieve cough symptoms. And warm water aids in the healing process. Now, let's prepare our dry cough remedy. 1. Pour warm water into a glass. 2. Squeeze the juice of 1 medium-sized lemon into the glass. 3. Grate a small piece of ginger and add it to the mixture. 4. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of honey. 5. Stir well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Ensure that the mixture is well blended for maximum effectiveness. Using warm water helps dissolve the ingredients and makes it easier to consume. Now that our dry cough remedy is ready, here's how you should consume it. 1. Take a tablespoon of the prepared remedy. 2. Slowly sip and swallow it, allowing it to coat your throat. 3. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a day until your cough subsides. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly consuming this remedy will provide relief in treating your dry cough effectively. Along with this remedy, we have a few additional tips to help manage your dry cough at home. 1. Keep yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. 2. Avoid irritants such as smoke, dust, or strong perfumes. 3. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, which can help reduce coughing. 4. Try having a warm cup of herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint to soothe your throat. 5. Rest and give your body enough time to recover. Following these additional tips and using our dry cough home remedy will provide you with the best chances of finding relief and recovering quickly. Remember, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's important to seek medical advice. We hope you found this information helpful and that it brings you the relief you seek. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and remedies. Take care and stay healthy.